Dradis version 4.15 has several new features and a bunch of bug fixes. Let's dive into 3 of them. First, we implemented a new cross-references feature. You can automatically generate cross-reference links from a summary of findings table or another part of your report to detailed findings with no post-export macro needed. Don't worry, this is fully documented on our support site and we can help implement this in your custom report template. It works with a combination of bookmarks and content controls. We can create the link by adding a link to content control. In this case, since the link to's tag is set to title, the issue's title will display as the link text. Then, to create the destination for the link, we need to add a Dradis issue bookmark. If you have more than one issue content control in your report, you can add numbers after the Dradis issue bookmark so that every bookmark has a unique name. During export, Dradis will create cross-reference hyperlinks between your link to content controls in your Dradis issue bookmarks. You can also use another method to link from paragraph content, like a content block, to specific issues without using this approach. Again, check out the documentation on our support site for details and reach out to support if you would like help updating your custom report template. Second, you can now set a custom tag order. Previously, the tags would display in alphabetical order when you sorted the All Issues page. On the Tags Management page, you can drag and drop the tags to change their order. This order will be reflected on the All Issues Sort page so that you can display the tags in an order other than alphabetical. Finally, we refreshed our built-in kits with updated templates for reports, projects, issues, and more. The Welcome Kit now uses CVSS v4 rather than CVSS v3, and we also included integration mappings and rules coverage and an updated OWASP Top 10 methodology. Dradis 4.15 comes with other updates and a lot of bug fixes. Head over to the Dradis Users Portal, check out the full release notes, and download your upgrade file there.